Hey guys, it's Vasundhara Singh Medico and I'm back with another video. I think काफ़ी time हो गया since I made a video and uploaded. I just want to say that I know I've not been in touch. I know I took a break from Unacademy and YouTube and I've not been there. But I just want to say that I am starting all over again and I promise to stay in touch with all you people. And again I want to thank you. मैं सबका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ जिन्होंने सब स्टूडेंट्स का जो नीट दे रहे हैं, द स्टूडेंट्स हु केप्ट इन टच विथ मी. लेट मी टेल यू, आप लोग मुझे डे टू डे बेसिस पे काफ़ी इंस्पायर करते हैं. आपकी स्ट्रगल, आपकी मेहनत मुझे इंस्पायर करती है टू बी अ बेटर पर्सन, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, और टू बी अ बेटर स्टूडेंट. बिकॉज मुझे काफ़ी मेहनत से ये मेडिकल सीट मिली है और आई जस्ट फील सो ग्रेटफुल. एंड येस, सो गोइंग बैक, so yeah, just want to say that in this video I want to focus on one topic जो I don't think many people talk about. क्या हुआ कहीं मेरा नीट में नहीं हुआ तो, like what are the other things that you can do if you don't get into NEET. Let me tell you something, that before I jump to this topic and I talk about different things that you can do, let me tell you one very clear thing, and that is dreams कम ट्रू. तो आपका जो भी सपना है वो ज़रूर पूरा होगा. आपको कोई बोले नहीं बोले, बट लेट मी टेल यू, एंड द ओनली पर्सन हु कैन मेक योर ड्रीम्स कम ट्रू इज़ योर सेल्फ. और लेट मी टेल यू, you're the only one. People can help you, people can guide you, but you're the only one who has to put in the work, who has to put in 10 hours a day, who has to put in everything, discipline, emotions. You have to keep it aside for a while and get into working and getting what you really want. So that is what I want to say. And a second thing I want to say कि सपना सिर्फ एक नहीं होता है. Many people are stuck in this thought कि ये नहीं हुआ तो फिर मेरा सपना पूरा नहीं हुआ. It's nothing like that. We are humans. There are so many things that we have done. There are many things that need to be explored. So I really want to say that all of you all to have the courage to look beyond a certain boundary. Okay, so before I really jump to the topic and I talk about all these different things that you people can do or think about, I just want to say one thing, and that is I really respect you. I respect your hustle, I respect your struggle, I respect your knowledge. Or it doesn't matter if you get 128 in NEET or you get 658 in NEET. I still think that if you have the courage to step forward for your dream, if you have the courage to go and sit in that exam, and if you also have the courage to think about yourself and your dreams and what you want to do in life at the age of I think 16 and 17, when सब लोग काफ़ी chill रहते हैं, पार्टी वार्टी करते हैं, कहीं उस वक्त if you are stepping a foot down and you are studying, I just want to say that you inspire me and you matter and you are going to do big things in life. Because kahi at the age of 16 you are doing this, then I'm sure that in future also आपका ये work ethic रहेगा, because it does help. All my struggles during my NEET gap years are helping me in MBBS. At least I try to be a better student, और आई ट्राई टू डू बेटर. स्ट्रेस जो है वो इतना ईजिली क्रीप ऑन नहीं होता है, बिकॉज फॉर्चुनेटली इनफ आई हैव डेल्ट विद अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस ड्यूरिंग गैप ईयर्स. सो अगेन, you are never going to get rid of stress, but you will need to know how to manage that. And I think that if you are a hustler, you'd know that. Okay, now we'll go back to the topic as to what are the different things that we can do if we don't get in through NEET. तो जैसे NEET 22 है, बहुत लोग का 22 है या 21 है या जो 2020 है. सपोज यू डिडंट गेट इनटू अ कॉलेज. Okay, so I get it. If you are a fresher, then you will decide to take a drop, then you will go try for a college. God forbid ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपने कहीं पूरे मन से चाहा है और आपको कॉलेज नहीं मिले. तो सपोज लेट्स टेक द वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो, आपको कॉलेज नहीं मिलता है. You have taken 3 drops, 4 drops. I know people who have taken 8 drops, 10 drops, my god, for an exam like NEET. Okay, let me tell you something very clearly. NEET is a 3-hour exam, right? Those 3 hours don't decide your capability. It does not decide what you can do better in life. It does not decide the fact कि आपका intelligence level कितना है. Because आजकल के दुनिया में एक ही चीज़ matter करती है. It's not knowledge completely. It depends on what you do with that knowledge. You know, if you're sitting your entire life knowing a lot of things और आप कुछ करते नहीं हो उस knowledge का, then that is of no use. That is of no use, right? If you know how to make I don't know, if you know how to make suppose you know how to make origami, right? Paper fold करके आपको पूरा knowledge है but आप बना नहीं रहे हो, तो फिर what's the point? So at the end of the day, anything that you do, anything that you learn, the only thing that matters at the end of the day जब आप job field में जाओगे is what do you do to contribute, what is the new thing that you get, right? So that can make you something different, something special, and I believe all of you all are special. Now जब हम लोग एक चीज़ पे अपना दिमाग लेके बैठ जाते हैं, नीट हम लोग पहले तो हॉबीज़ वगैरह सब छोड़ देते हैं, बिकॉज मैंने अपने हॉबीज़ छोड़ दिए थे. आई रिमेंबर डूइंग दैट. Thankfully I could go back to what I like doing once I got into college, but unfortunately system ऐसा है, it is such a rat race that we forget what we like doing, right? We forget what our other passions are, we forget what we can do, right? हमारे एक बुरे मार्क्स हम पे एक लिमिट डाल देते हैं कि हम किसी चीज़ में कुछ अच्छा नहीं कर सकते या किसी और फील्ड में अच्छा नहीं कर सकते. कहीं आप नीट में इतना मेहनत डाल रहे हो, लेट मी टेल यू, आप उतना ही मेहनत किसी और चीज़ में भी डाल सकते हो. देयर इज़ नॉट जस्ट वन थिंग. इंसान का सिर्फ एक सपना नहीं होता है. इंसान बार बार सपने देख सकता है, दूसरे सपने देख सकता है, और हो सकता है इफ़ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग इन टू नीट, मे बी गॉड हैज़ बिगर प्लान्स फॉर यू. फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल हु बिलीव इन गॉड, I believe in the universe. If you don't get what you want, then I'm sure there is something out there that is something even bigger. And when you get that thing, you will realize कि हाँ क्यों नहीं हुआ मेरा, because I was meant to do something bigger, right? Being a doctor is not the only thing. There are things like biotechnology. There are things like, I don't know, robotics. There are so many things, not just science. Look at arts. There's something called as digital creation. There is something called as cinematography. I know India mein these things are not very explored, right? We say it's not very, you can say, liberated, or people keep talking about only doctor, engineer, lawyer. But let me tell you, since you guys are the youth of India and you guys understand this, that if you're only going to be doctor, lawyer, engineers, तो कुछ नया नहीं होगा. And if तो imagine कहीं कोई और field में आप काम डालते हो, you can actually make that field your what do you call, forte, and create a difference if that's what your main goal is in life. So I just want to say that for all those people who are tired of giving NEET, who are tired and who think कि NEET के में selection नहीं होने से उनका like they are not good for anything, let me tell you, try doing something else. Try to find your passion again. Get that courage, find your passion again, maybe in a different thing, and do it and give it your 100%. And let me tell you, मेहनत कभी खाली नहीं जाता है. मेरा कोई मेहनत खाली नहीं गया है. कहीं मैं 2 साल में केमिस्ट्री अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ती, I wouldn't have been able to teach you guys properly on an academy. So I definitely really count everything, everything that you do. Someone is watching. The energy around you, the universe or God or whatever you believe in is watching, if nobody is. And I believe in you. I definitely do. And that's what I want to say. And I want to end this video with this positive message ki NEET is not the end game. There are many things out there and you can be so good at it, and not only be good at it, you can also be happy and be rich. You can have everything you want. You want a big car, a big house, everything. And I just pray, I pray that all your dreams come true and everything that you want you get, and the fact that you find your passion. If you couldn't do NEET, I hope that you could find something equally rewarding. And yeah, that's what I want to say. And I will be starting an academy again, so I think in the end of April, so stay tuned for that. For everybody who is giving NEET 21, 22, 23, I'll be teaching chemistry on a daily basis. So don't forget to catch me there, and I'll come up with more interesting and motivational videos. And yeah, I will never leave you guys, and thank you for staying with me. Love you so much. Bye.